Welcome back, everybody. It's time for another knife unboxing. Today's Thursday, the 22nd of February, and it's in 2024. And luck has shined upon me. I got a package from Oz Machine Company. This was the recent first come, first serve. And just like a bunch of you, I thought it was rigged. I thought it was bots. I thought it was everything, but the stars aligned and I was able to be fast with the fingers and get in. So there is hope out there for everybody that is hoping that they get there someday. I've tried many times, just like the rest of you. Okay, so for today, we're going to open up the package with this little butterfly knife. I acquired this from an acquaintance, and they had a few knives and knew that I liked knives. And when I first saw this, I just thought it was nothing special. It looked almost like gas station-y, if you will, the gas station knife kind of thing. But I opened it up, and it says on it, I think it's pronounced Keljan. And this guy is kind of famous in his own rights. He's produced a ton of knives over the years. So do a little research on him if you want. And if you know anything about it, I'd love you to comment down below, because I just saw that him and his, I don't know if it was his wife or his lady friend or what it was, but, oops, sorry for the bump there. But they made a bunch of knives over the years, like a huge amount. I figured off the top of my head, and this is pretty sharp. It's I did strop it up a little bit, but I was pretty impressed. So anyway, there's some pretty cool knives out there, even if you've never heard of them. Okay, that's enough of the little history thing, but I like that. It's a cool little knife. It feels good in the hand and really nice construction. All right, let's get on with the show here and open up some tape. Try to keep everything in frame. As you know, I am not a super duper video YouTuber guy, whatever. I just do it for the fun and hope that people get a little enjoyment out of it and that we both learn something along the way. Okay, let's do this part too. And this part. Okay, one more piece maybe over here. Okay, now, let me just, look at, here we go. All right, I'm going to close this just for safety's sake. Yeah, I'm going to keep this. I'm not going to use it. It's kind of special, so I don't want to, I don't know. They're made to be used, but anyway, I'm going to only use that on special occasions. Okay, so bubble wrap, check. And get this out of the way. There we go. Isn't that classy? I really like their packaging. I would like one of the older boxes, the hard cases that they had. That's kind of cool. All right, let me just get the paperwork out. And what I was lucky enough to click on was this. I think they call it the Plain Jane. It has the titanium scales and the, I don't know, I think they call that blue. It looks a little purpley, and I actually like it better. But the hardware and the clip and so on are anodized blue. I really like that. Okay, let's take it out. show you a little bit of, oh yeah, the back spacer is blue as well. There's the centering for you. Looks dead on, man. One after another. Every single video I see on these, it's just beautiful, beautiful stuff. So nice. And again, lighting, sorry for the shadows, etc., etc. I'm pretty sure it's stone washed. Sorry I don't have all the details for you, but it gives you an idea. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Just like every single one of them. Boy, look at that line, the way things line up. So they're coming out with the XL, I guess, in another week or two. Whether or not I will have the luck on that, I don't know, but I will certainly try. Because it's not like I have gigantic hands. I wear a large to an extra large glove. This fits totally fine. And I've seen guys with big catcher mitt gloves and they love it. So whatever works will be good. Look at that drop shut. Beautiful. Sorry. Let me try it again. There we go. Yeah, this is great. Just beautiful. I really like that blue. I really, really do. I'd call it more of a blurple. And I've always loved the blurple. The Spyderco's, I never got one, but it's really good. Look at even the little pin that holds in the over travel stop or whatever it is anodized as well. Isn't that attention to detail? Man, oh man, oh man. Okay, well, you know all the specs, you know all the details. I don't want to bore you. I just wanted to unbox it and show you that I was one of the fortunate, and I hope you are someday too. Just keep trying. That's all I can say. You gotta keep blasting away and stay positive and all that stuff. Oh, we gotta do a cut test. Hold on. I did bring a piece of paper. Okay, let's see. Beautiful. Oh my God. Oof. I said it before. Velvet. Feels like velvet. Beautiful. And there's a little S-curve for you. Okay, so keep the faith. Give it a like if you like. Give it a watch if you don't pass it along. Whatever you want to do. It's just really nice. Oh, here's the lockup. I noticed this before. Look at that. It barely touches, but that's pretty normal, I think. And as time goes on, it'll wear in and go further and further, I guess. But boom. Listen to that click. Gosh, it's beautiful. Oh, that hit my finger. It's hard to do the slow roll because the detent is there. My thumb flick, I guess, better than I Spidey flick. Upside down for anybody that's standing on their head. Yeah, I can't, I think when I saw it, the larger size was pretty big. I mean, I don't know. And again, the weight on this, I believe it's under 3 ounces. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's under 3 ounces. I said it last time, and I'll say it again, but just a really beautiful. Nice. I was lucky enough to get a putter a little while ago, and I haven't touched that. I put it like right back in the box after I made the video. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. This I look at more of as a user, I guess, just because it's got the plain Jane scales on it. But boy, do I love that. People are going to say blasphemy, but I like the look of this better than the golf putter. That blue is fantastic. Wow. I wonder if I'll put those. Maybe I'll put this on the putter and put the bronze hardware on here. Look at that. And again, people know I don't know the behind the edge or anything like that, but this is just fantastic. Oh. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, kids, boys and girls that are watching this, if any women are out there, ladies, I do see some ladies out there that like knives. They have a channel. Erica's EDC, if you know Erica, give her a shout out on here. She is a tell it like it is person and no BS. Whatever's on her mind about how she feels about a knife, and she's great at sharpening. Watch her for sharpening tips. Watch Neve's Knives for sharpening tips. He's awesome. There's a lot of good people out there. I'm just this tiny little, if I have a couple hundred people following me, I think that's about it. But, okay, so there's almost 12 minutes of me blathering on about a beautiful, beautiful work of art. And thank you, Daniel Osborne, and all the crew at Oz Machine Company. Okay, we're out of here. Peace out.